welcome to Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. If you just join in, remember to like, subscribe, press the notification button for more videos. Right, so today going to be doing steamed fish with water crackers. Right, so let's kill some fish. Check it out. We have a black snapper. Right, catch them at the sea the other day. Scale them off and do it thing. So you want to remove the gill. Right, this is the gill, so you want to take out the gill. Most people don't like scaling fish because, as you can see, it's a dirty job, you know. Right, so most people shy away from this. Fishing is rich in omega-3, so you don't get omega-3 from anything else but fish. So going to wash up the fish with some vinegar. Going to wash our thyme. Scallion. So wash our scallion. Okra, steamed fish. Can't be steamed fish without okra. Alright, so you test it. This one is good. We're going to wash our okra. About 3 pieces. Don't want to cut them too small. Like the short one, you cut it in 2. Alright, so we have the okra. Carrot, scrape the carrot. We know parrot, them are chat, we have to eat with some bad, look on them. Look on that. They match up what we are. Wash it, Tiagra. Boom. Tiagra. Wash it, Tiagra. A Scotch bonnet pepper. I want to put it in here like that for flavoring. I have some pimento seed. We're gonna wash these and add these as well. Have a Maggi seasoning, fish seasoning, Maggi seasoning. Not sponsored by Maggi, but we're using Maggi seasoning, so we're gonna add this. Add our carrot. Going to add some butter. Alright. Now, when the steam fish start to steam, you don't want to use any utensil to stir, right? Because that will break the fish. So do a thing like this, lift the pot and kind of mix it around like that. Yeah, so going to mask the pot, leave it, let it steam for a bit. Looking lovely, you know, can smell it. Now we're gonna add our fish tea, right? Grace fish tea. We're gonna shake it up. So give it a slight stir. I don't want to break the fish, right? Just give it a slight stir. Now is the time to add our Excelsior water crackers. This is not sponsored by Excelsior, right? So the water crackers will soak some of that moisture. for about 10 minutes and it should be finished. Yeah man, so I eat that, you know, everything ready like Freddy. Right, see the crackers and sell up like bullfrog there, you know. So yeah man, so the thing set, you know. Yeah, I see the fish them right now because the crackers cover up the thing. Right, but see the okra cook. Right, thing legit. Yeah man, so steam fish and water crackers ready, you know. Right, gonna test it out and see what I go on. Yeah man, never seem to amaze me, you know. Very lovely. Everything tastes nice, beautiful, never fail. Right, so leave a comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe, turn on the notification button. Boom.